Imagine this. You're walking down a lively street in Bangkok, and suddenly, a friendly smile catches your eye. Before you even think about making a move, she's already started the conversation. It's not just a one-time thing, it happens again and again. Welcome to Thailand, where the social energy is different, the people are incredibly open, and meeting new people, especially women, is surprisingly effortless. But why is that? What makes Thailand so unique in this way? In this video, we're breaking down the real reasons behind Thailand's social culture, the psychology of friendly interactions, and exactly what makes this country one of the easiest places in the world to meet people. Stay tuned, because this is going to be an eye-opener. The cultural psychology. To understand why Thailand has such an open and welcoming atmosphere, we need to dive into its cultural foundations. Thailand is often called the land of smiles. And it's not just a marketing slogan, it's a deeply ingrained part of society. Thai people are raised with values of politeness, hospitality, and non-confrontation. In Buddhism, which is the dominant religion in Thailand, maintaining harmony and spreading kindness are seen as essential aspects of life. Here's why Thai people, especially women, are more open to starting conversations. The Sanic philosophy. This Thai concept means fun and represents the belief that life should be enjoyable. Whether at work, in social settings, or even while meeting new people, the goal is to create positive and enjoyable interactions. The importance of smiling. In many Western cultures, a smile might be seen as a simple friendly gesture. In Thailand, it's much deeper. It's a form of nonverbal communication that signals warmth, openness, and a lack of hostility. Curiosity about foreigners. Millions of tourists visit Thailand each year, and locals, especially younger generations, are often eager to interact, learn new things, and even practice their English. Non-judgmental culture. Unlike in some countries where people might be hesitant to talk to strangers due to social norms, Thailand's relaxed and easygoing nature removes those barriers. Social interactions happen. If you think these friendly interactions only happen in bars and nightclubs, think again. Thailand is one of those rare places where meeting people is effortless at any time of day. Here are the best places where spontaneous conversations happen naturally. 1. Nightlife and social streets. Khao San Road, Bangkok, the backpacker hub of the world. A mix of travelers, locals, and expats, making it one of the easiest places to meet new people. Pattaya Walking Street, known for its high-energy nightlife, with clubs, bars, and street performers creating a fun social atmosphere. Bangla Road, Phuket, one of the best places in Thailand for nightlife, with an open-air party vibe where socializing happens effortlessly. 2. Daytime social hotspots. Chatuchak Weekend Market, Bangkok. The world's largest outdoor market, where you can shop, eat, and strike up conversations with vendors or fellow travelers. Cafes in Chiang Mai. The northern city's relaxed coffee shop culture makes it ideal for deep conversations and meeting like-minded people. Beach clubs in Koh Samui and Krabi, perfect for laid-back socializing, where the environment is naturally inviting. 3. Unexpected spots. Tuk-tuk rides. You'll often share these rides with locals or tourists, leading to fun and spontaneous interactions. Group excursions. Whether it's island hopping in Phuket or a temple tour in Ayutthaya, group activities are an easy way to meet people. Street food stalls. Unlike Western dining, Thai street food culture is social. People stand around eating, making it easy to start conversations. Women approach men more often in Thailand. In many parts of the world, traditional dating norms dictate that men usually make the first move. But in Thailand, the social dynamic can feel very different. So why do Thai women, and sometimes foreign travelers, approach men first? A relaxed approach to socializing. Thai culture is not as rigid when it comes to dating and meeting new people. If a woman finds you interesting, she won't hesitate to say hello. The influence of tourism. With so many foreigners visiting Thailand, the local women are used to casual socializing. Unlike in other countries where people might be more reserved, Thai women often feel comfortable starting conversations. Mutual curiosity. Many Thai women are interested in learning about different cultures, and they see foreigners as an opportunity for new experiences, whether it's practicing English, learning about another country, or simply having a fun conversation. Hospitality mindset. Thai people take pride in making visitors feel welcome. Sometimes, a conversation is just a way to extend that warmth and friendliness. Most of Thailand's social scene. If you're visiting Thailand, here's how to fully embrace this open and friendly culture. Heavy checkmark. Be open to conversations. Thai people are incredibly friendly, so don't hesitate to smile back, say hello, or ask a question. Heavy checkmark. Respect the culture. Learning a few basic Thai phrases like Sawasdi Krub, hello, or Kob Kun Krub, thank you, can go a long way in making positive connections. Heavy checkmark. Go beyond the touristy areas. While places like Khao San Road are great, exploring lesser-known spots will lead to even more authentic interactions. Heavy checkmark. Stay safe and aware. While Thailand is generally safe, always be mindful of situations where people might be too pushy, especially in nightlife areas. Heavy checkmark. Enjoy the experience. Thailand is a once-in-a-lifetime adventure, so embrace the unique social culture and make the most of your journey. Thailand is more than just a destination. Thailand isn't just a place you visit, it's a place you experience. Whether you come for the beaches, the culture, or the nightlife, one thing is certain, you'll never feel alone here. What do you think about Thailand's social scene? Have you been there, or is it on your bucket list? Let's talk in the comments. Thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more epic travel insights. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next adventure.